Here's some Dalton's model trivia. Subscribe. In Dalton's model, what do atoms represent? Is it A, compounds, B, mixtures, C, elements, or D, molecules? The correct answer is C, elements. What did Dalton's model replace in chemistry? Is it A, celestial mechanics, B, vitalism, C, phlogiston theory, or D, alchemy? The correct answer is C, phlogiston theory. What phenomenon did Dalton's gas laws help explain? Is it A, gas mixtures, B, phase changes, C, electronegativity, or D, chemical bonding? The correct answer is A, gas mixtures. How did Dalton classify atoms? Is it A, by shape, B, based on mass, C, by color, or D, by charge? The correct answer is B, based on mass. What element's atomic weight did Dalton generalize? Is it A, carbon, B, neon, C, oxygen, or D, hydrogen? The correct answer is D, hydrogen. Which property is unique to different atoms? Is it A, charge, B, mass, C, size, or D, color? The correct answer is B, mass. What numerical value did Dalton assign to hydrogen's mass? Is it A, 4, B2, C1, or D5? Correct answer is C1. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.